Hi guys, right, the HS700 drone originally came with a very basic camera which fitted on the front here. Decided to upgrade to GoPro. Issue with the GoPro obviously was you lost your FPV. So what I did, I thought it'd be clever, and I got this audio video lead off eBay, and one of these little FPV transmitters. Nice bit of kit. No weightiness at all. I'm running this off the internal battery. Also, this is running the GoPro. I fitted a 5-volt regulator off the 7.4 battery to run the GoPro, and powered it all up, got my video feed, set this to about 250 milliwatts, quarter of a watt, and I thought we'll give this a go. Obviously originally this had a camera which would, oh sorry, it's something else playing now, transmit via Wi-Fi to an app on the phone, which gave you options of circling, follow me, points of interest. You could tap on the map where you wanted it to go. Obviously I've lost all that using the GoPro, but I wanted high quality video and I wanted FPV without having to carry two cameras, etc. So fitted the GoPro, found it flew very well with it. The reason I'm running the 5 volts into the GoPro from a regulator is because I can now remove the battery from the GoPro, which saves me about 50 grams. All adds up. Anyway, so I've got all that fitted. The transmitter is 5.8 gigahertz and the controller is 2.5 gigahertz for the controller of the actual aircraft itself. So apparently that wasn't going to cause any problems. So what I did with the controller was I fitted this great big TV screen. Now this came without any kind of brackets or mountings, so I manufactured something out of metal which fits into here. Now what I didn't realise originally, the controller had two big antennas which you could adjust sticking up out of the controller. They're actually dummies, don't do anything at all. The actual antenna was fitted across here inside, right next to my metal piece that I fitted on. So what I did, I set it all up, I got my video feed working, I went for a test run, I got it up to about, I don't know, 100 feet, 100 yards away, and I heard this beeping. I looked down here, and where you have a signal bar here when it's paired with the aircraft, that was jumping up and down. Completely lost completely lost signal to the aircraft. I panicked. In hindsight, maybe I should have hit the home button and hoped that had worked. Where I was, there was a few roads and other issues, so I figured hit the down button, just land it, get it on the roof, whatever, just get it down. Anyway, the rest of the video you'll see. I had quite a nice takeoff. I did my calibration, as you can see in the video, and I flew along a little bit. I turned around, started to come back, and you can even hear from the motors that it started to waver a little bit, start to drift, and I just brought it down. Quite horrendous. I had to get a ladder hired, climb up 60 odd feet onto a roof and make a pole up and drag the thing back off the roof. I was lucky. It could have ended up in the road, whatever. Anyway, what I've done is, because I've got this mounted on the controller now, and we have this metal bracket, the antenna that used to be mounted here, I've actually pushed up through one of the original holes, and the antenna is actually here now, the actual real antenna. And this is basically a lid of a Sharpie, which I've bonded into place. It's still shielded a little bit by the monitor, but maybe if I tilt up, I don't know. I've got to do another trial run and see if it works a little bit better. But it was a bit of a scary experience. The FPV did work very well, and it was quite weird because obviously when it landed on the roof, I could still see it upside down on the monitor. So, and it ran, and the battery from the actual aircraft ran the GoPro and the FPV transmitter for a good hour once it had crashed. And I have to say, didn't actually have any damage. There's a slight little scuff in the top there, and one of the props was a little bit bent where it had been left on the roof upside down in the sun. It had kinked it a little bit, but apart from that, hopefully we're ready to fly again. Anyway, I do go on. See the video, you'll see what happens. I flew up, got up a little bit of height, turned around to come back, and just lost all control. Hopefully I'll have another video with a new Sharpie antenna, and hopefully that'll give you some idea whether it's any better or not. All the best, cheers.
cars. Ow. All right, we got it.